All right, little preview of the upcoming collection video. I'm going to go over all this stuff when we get to it. That's just one side of the office, but I've boxed up some stuff because I am making room for two shelves right here. On this bottom one, I'm saving room for the Jurassic Park Funko Pops that recently got announced. Really, really looking forward to those. And on this shelf right here, as you can see, I've already started with my Masters of the Universe stuff. Jeffrey the Giraffe is just there because I don't know where the heck he's going to go. I got some Super 7 action figures here that I picked up when I was actually at the store in San Diego. How cool. And this actually has to do with the unboxing that we are about to do. Peeps! We are back, and we are here with another unboxing. This is the first of two videos that we're going to do this week. Later on in the week, check back, we're going to have a Destination Geek kind of update where we talk about all the new stuff coming to Busch Gardens Williamsburg this year. At least that's been announced. I shouldn't say that everything because I'm sure more is coming. But we're going to talk about that later on this week. So if you're in here for the Destination Geek stuff, check back later this week. But today, I'm going to open up some stuff that is near and dear to my heart. There is a show out now on Netflix. You've probably heard of it already. It's called The Toys That Made Us. There are 4 episodes that they've released, and the episodes focus on G.I. Joe, Star Wars, Barbie, and most importantly, Masters of the Universe. Masters of the Universe is a toy line that hit when I was young, when I was really young, and I was really into it. He-Man and Skeletor and all, you know, the characters that were in that cartoon show. I loved the toys and going and getting them at the store and trying to get as many figures as I could, even though generally they were mostly the same body, just with different paint or different accessories, that kind of thing. But anyway, The Toys That Made Us did a whole documentary episode about that Masters of the Universe line of toys. And it kind of put me back in the mood to get some Masters of the Universe stuff. And luckily, Funko actually released a bunch of Masters of the Universe Funko Pops recently. In fact, as I'm talking right now, they are releasing some news from London Toy Fair, and they just announced that there are pint-sized heroes coming out from Funko featuring Masters of the Universe characters. Probably not going to pick those up. Not a big fan of the pint-sized heroes line, but I am a big fan of Funko Pops. So I picked up a bunch of stuff. I got 2 boxes here, and I have a bag. So we're going to go ahead and open up some of this stuff, and I'm going to show you what I picked up this week. So all this stuff I ordered online. The Hot Topic stuff I ordered online and actually picked up in store, which is, I gotta be honest, like the coolest thing. I love doing that, especially when it comes to Hot Topic, because in general, it's kind of hard to get their stuff. Unless you're there when they open, because a lot of pop hunters around here hit them up first thing in the morning. Alright, so first box has Trap Jaw. So Trap Jaw is one of the Funko specialty series, which means it's available at like comic book retailers and things like that. So actually, I bought this on eBay, and I think I only paid like $13 for it. I didn't pay a crazy amount. I'm kind of particular about how much I spend on Pops. I try to get as close to retail as I can. So I picked this guy up. Love Trapjaw. Used to have the original figure. Love the look of this one. I love the colors on him, the blue and the green and the purple. And so here he is. Here is Trapjaw. Alright. Another box here. Let's go ahead and open up this one. So if that one is Trapjaw, then this one... Actually, I won't spoil the surprise. I'll just wait for you guys to see. They wrapped this up real good. Not only that, this is the first pop I ordered, and so it was $13 for this pop, and it came with a protective case, which I thought was a good deal. I've not actually seen this one in stores, but as far as I know, it's a common Funko Pop, just not here, I guess. And the protective sleeve isn't all that hard. It's not like an actual official Funko one. But here is Orko. Orko, the friendly, fun-loving magician over there in Eternia. This one's really kind of fun looking. I really like the sculpt on him. I'm going to try to... There you go. Really like the sculpt on him. Actually, let me just go ahead and take him out of this case, because this case is really not all that protective. I thought it was a bit more protective than it actually is. It's, as you can see, just not really hard or anything. And so here is a better, little less glary look at Orko. Very cool. I really like the way this Orko looks. Alright, so the next stuff comes from Hot Topic. And what was nice is, so I went and picked it up today, and they all came in these little cases that honestly are more protective than the one I actually paid a couple extra dollars for. So first up, we have the Evil Sorceress, Evil-Lyn. How awesome is she? That is fantastic. They really did a good job with her and her scepter down there. I don't know if you can really see that. You know, I'm going to do it. I'm going to open it up so you guys can see can get a better look at Evil-Lyn, because she's just that cool. So I'm going to do my little, well, I thought I was going to do my little trick that I learned online. Let's try it this way. There we go. Alright. There we go. Okay, she comes with a little stand to sit on, because I guess her feet are relatively small. But here is a better look, unboxed, at Evil-Lyn. So cool. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and put her to the side. Next up, let's see, it's a grab bag. I don't know who's in here. Well, I know who's in here, but I don't know in what order we're going to open them. Alright, so next up is Stratos. Here is Stratos. Make sure that he is in focus for you guys. There you go. Pretty cool. There's the side of the box. That's a better look at what he looks like. Alright. So what's funny is I'm going to open up all these boxes, and sadly, I don't know if I forgot it or I didn't see him on the website. I didn't order Skeletor. So actually, I'm going to show you in this one, the line of figures that recently came out contains Merman, Evil-Lyn, Orko, Stratos, Beastman. Yeah, Beastman. Sorry, I just couldn't see reverse. He-Man and Skeletor. And I ordered all of them except Skeletor for some reason. So I just ordered him online. $11 including shipping. So, which is great, because this is Hot Topic price is $12.50 individual for these figures. So luckily I was able to get them on a sale. So I only paid, I think, $8 each. They were on some type of, I don't know, some type of big sale. So I think everything was 20% off or 30% off, something like that. Anyway, here is a better look at Beastman. One of the original main villains of Masters of the Universe. Alright, I think I have two more to show you guys. Yeah, two more to show you guys. So, here, and she opened this up in the store for me, and I was kind of sad because I don't have the chase, and I would love to get the chase, because they released a blue version of Merman. But this is the common version of Merman. Let me try to get it so that it's not glary. So, common version of Merman, who's still awesome. He still looks awesome. I love the green color. I just, for you guys who do collect Funkos, I don't own a single chase. In all the Funko Pops that I have a bunch of exclusives, Comic-Con, and Star Wars Celebration exclusives, and things like that. I actually don't have a chase, a single chase. So I'm kind of sad about that. Hopefully, one day, I will get myself a chase. I would have loved for it to have been Merman, but sadly, not to be. And last, but not least, we have the man himself, Battle Armor He-Man. I'm sorry, there's a glare. There you go. So there is Battle Armor He-Man. He's got his shield there. He's got his battle axe in his other hand. Really, really dig the look of that one. So, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys. So the original line of them, these were the figures that came out in the original line of Funko Pop. I think these were the original line. Anyway, it's He-Man, Skeletor, Spikor, Hordak, and She-Ra. Now, I actually think I have He-Man and Skeletor unboxed somewhere from when I was buying Funko Pops, but not necessarily collecting them. But here's Trapjaw again, because he's awesome. Really excited to have these, and you know, it scratches my itch without me having to. You know, a while back I was actually looking at vintage He-Man toys and stuff, and these are famous last words, because I know if I say I'm not going to be interested in buying them, at some point in the future, you'll see a stupid video of me looking for those Masters of the Universe vintage figures, because I loved them. I loved He-Man growing up. Really love having a touch of He-Man in my collection. Like I've mentioned before, it's kind of Star Wars on the right side, DC Comics on the left. I got a little bit of Marvel back here, a little bit of Disney stuff up there. But He-Man was one of my first collections growing up. One of the first toy lines that I really loved and got into. And obviously, so many have come since. But He-Man was definitely a big part of my childhood. And I'm really glad that Funko is embracing that franchise and making some figures. So, anyway, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to check back later this week, and we will see you guys next time.